Okay, today we're going to be using our calculator to do matrices. So I'm going to be switching between paper and the on-screen calculator. So it might be a little bit easier if you print the PDF version of this presentation. All right. So first of all, you have to find out where do you find the buttons for matrices on your calculator. So if you go to second and then this X to the -1 button above it, you see it says matrix. And when we do this, we're going to actually be putting in this matrix A here, which is a 2-row by 3-column. And then I'm also going to show you how to clear the matrices in your calculator. You will be doing that by hitting the second and then the plus button, and then the number 2, the number 5, and then delete. So let's get to the calculator and do that now. All right, so second X to the -1 gives me the matrix menu. You can see I already have a matrix already entered in here. You can edit this or you can delete it. And I'm going to show you how to delete it first. All right, so if you go to second and then plus, and then this number 2, memory management delete. And you're going to go down to number 5, which says matrix. All right, it's already pointing at this matrix A, so I'm just going to hit the delete button. And now if I go back to second matrix, you can see it is now gone. So let's go ahead and start by putting in that 2 by 3 matrix. So let's go over to edit and hit number 1. Now I could put the matrix in any one of these, but I'm just going to start with number 1. You need to tell the calculator the dimensions of your matrix. So it's a 2 by 3 matrix. And you can see it puts the matrix here with all the elements as zeros, and all I have to do is enter in the elements that I want. So 5, -2, 1, 3, 5, and 4. All right. Now I'm going to first show you how to multiply 2 matrices on the calculator. So obviously to multiply 2 matrices, we're going to need another matrix. So let's go ahead and put this matrix C right here in. You can see this matrix C is a 3 by 2. So let's go back to our calculator and let's go second matrix to get back to the main menu. I'm going to go to edit. But now I need to put it in 2 because I want a new matrix. And this one is a 3 by 2. And its elements are 8, -2, 4, 5, 0, and 9. All right, now to get out of this screen and just kind of back to the main mode of your calculator, just go second, and then over here, this mode button is quit. All right, now you want to multiply matrix A times matrix B. So you have to call up matrix A by going second matrix, and then hit number 1 for matrix A, and it shows you there on matrix A. And then you can hit times, and then you want to pull up matrix B, and simply hit enter. And you can see here that it multiplies the matrix together for you, and the resulting matrix is a 2 by 2. All right, and that's exactly what we expected. All right, let's go ahead and find the determinant of a matrix. So we're going to do a 3 by 3 matrix. We're going to actually go in now and we're going to edit matrix A, and we're just going to add in this last row here. All right, so let's go back to the matrix menu, second matrix. I'm going to go over to edit because I want to edit matrix A. So I'm going to hit number 1. And I have to make it a 3 by 3 matrix. So 3, enter. And I can just scroll down now to this new row because I'm just going to add that one in. And the elements are 1, 9, and, whoops, enter, and 3. All right, let's get out of this by hitting second quit. Now I want to find the determinant of this particular matrix. So if I go into second matrix, but now I'm going to go over to math. And you see number 1 here says determinant. So it puts determinant on your screen, and you have to tell it, well, what matrix do you want to take the determinant of? I want to take the determinant of matrix A. So I'm going to go to second matrix. I'm going to hit number 1 for A and close my parentheses and hit enter. And it'll tell me here that the determinant is negative 73. Now, you can do lots of things with matrices. You can solve them, and you can solve systems of equations, which we will be doing in just a moment. I'm actually going to do that on a separate presentation because I don't want this one to get too long. But I wanted to make one quick comment. You go back to the calculator. You can do anything now that you put these into the calculator. You can add them. So I could go, let's go back and look at the matrices. This is a 3 by 3 and this is a 3 by 2, so I can't actually add them until I edit it. So let's just edit B very quickly and make it a 3 by 3 so we can actually add them just to show you. And let's just put in some numbers here. We'll put in 1 and 5 and 6. Oops. All right, it doesn't really matter. There we go. We'll just use that. And now if I go second quit, go to my main screen, I just have to hit second matrix 1 plus second matrix 2. And it will give me the matrix of adding those two. So you can add them, subtract them, do whatever numerical operations you want, multiply by a scalar, whatever you choose to do. All right, I'm going to stop this video here. I'm going to show you on the next video how to solve matrices and how to solve a system of equations using matrices.